Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to today's YouTube video. In this episode, we delve into one of the most captivating mysteries of our planet's history, the extinction of the dinosaurs. Join me as we explore the various theories and scientific evidence behind this enigmatic event that occurred millions of years ago. So, without further ado, let's embark on a journey to discover why the dinosaurs became extinct. For over 160 million years, dinosaurs roamed the Earth, dominating the land, sea, and sky. They evolved into an incredibly diverse group, with species ranging from the towering Brachiosaurus to the swift velociraptors. But despite their tremendous success, a cataclysmic event brought their reign to an abrupt end. One widely accepted theory explaining the dinosaur extinction is the impact theory, which proposes that a massive asteroid collided with Earth. This catastrophic event, occurring approximately 66 million years ago, unleashed devastation on a global scale. The impact resulted in a colossal release of energy, triggering a series of events that dramatically altered Earth's environment. The impact itself would have caused immediate destruction, generating intense heat, massive shock waves, and global wildfires. The sky would darken with debris and soot, leading to a rapid drop in temperature and reduced sunlight. The immediate aftermath of the impact was a period of chaos, setting the stage for significant ecological disruption. The environmental consequences were severe and far-reaching. The enormous quantities of dust and debris ejected into the atmosphere blocked sunlight, hindering photosynthesis and causing a global decline in plant life. As a result, herbivorous dinosaurs, which relied on vegetation, faced a severe shortage of food. With the decline of plant life, the impact cascaded through the food chain. As herbivorous dinosaur populations dwindled, carnivorous dinosaurs faced a scarcity of prey, leading to their eventual decline as well. This collapse in the complex ecological balance led to widespread extinction across dinosaur species. While the impact theory provides a compelling explanation, other factors may have contributed to the dinosaurs' demise. Volcanic activity, for example, could have played a role in altering Earth's climate. Additionally, gradual changes in sea levels and shifts in continents may have disrupted ecosystems over an extended period. It's worth noting that not all dinosaurs perished in the wake of the extinction event. Some smaller species, particularly those with adaptations for burrowing or aquatic lifestyles, managed to survive. These survivors eventually gave rise to the vast array of animals we see today, including birds, which are considered the modern descendants of dinosaurs. In conclusion, the extinction of the dinosaurs remains an extraordinary event that reshaped the trajectory of life on our planet. While the impact theory provides a compelling explanation, further research and discoveries continue to refine our understanding of this ancient catastrophe. As we uncover more pieces of the puzzle, we gain deeper insights into the intricate workings of our planet's history. Thank you for joining me on this captivating journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into the wonders of the natural world. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.